Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 22-inch Samsung LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is sound okay, no picture fault due to backlight problem. See here, edge type backlight is used since it's an old model, so same default LED strip is not available, so here we are going to install this universal edge LED backlight strips. See, along with this we need to use this additional universal LED backlight driver board. This particular backlight driver board input VCC is 12 volt. Finally, we fixed backlight while checking with the LED checker. Here you can see the backlights. Finally friends, now the TV is repaired successfully. See here, we fixed reducer board for getting 12 volt input VCC to the universal backlight driver board. Here in this TV the display polarizer film is also damaged. Anyway, now here you can picture comes and the TV is working properly. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.